Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to see some examples on diode circuits. Here we have some diode circuits and the question here is asking us to find out current I and voltage V. Here we can use two different methods. One is short circuit method and the other one is open circuit method. I'm going to do the open circuit method. When we do the open circuit method, we have to know that this side of the diode is anode and this side is cathode, and we have to check VA and VK value. Anode side is VA voltage and cathode side is VK voltage, and V anode has to be higher than V cathode in order to be short circuit, otherwise it's open. Now let's look at this one. If we open this one, if you remove this diode, we are going to have VA that is going to be 5 voltage. Okay, so VA is going to be 5 voltage and VK is going to be 0 voltage. So VA is higher than VK. It means this is a short circuit. So we can find out our current by applying 5 minus 0 divided by the resistance in between, that is 2.5k. okay, that's going to give us 2 milliampere. So this is our current, and the voltage is going to be, since this is short circuit and connected with the ground, the voltage is going to be 0. So this is for the first one. Now let's look at the second one. If we remove this one, this is our VA for this one. This is the anode side and this is cathode side. This is connected to the ground, so VA is equal to 0. VK is going to be 5 voltage. VK is going to be equal to 5 voltage. And here you can see VA is supposed to be greater than VK in order to be short circuit, but this is not true for in this case, because VA is 0, VK is 5. So VK is higher than VA, therefore this is not here, so this is an open circuit. So the equivalent circuit, like this circuit, is going to behave like this. We are going to have an open circuit and this is connected to the ground. Therefore we are going to have this V voltage. The voltage here is going to be same as this voltage, right? Since we don't have any current flow, current is going to be 0. So V is going to be, V here is going to be just 5 voltage. And that's it for this one. Now let's look at this one here. If we open this one, this is our anode side and this is cathode side. Anode side is going to be negative 5 voltage because this is connected with negative 5 voltage. V cathode is going to be 0 voltage. Here VA is negative 5. VA should be greater than VK in order to be short circuit, but this is not true. VA is very small because minus 5, so this is smaller than VK. Therefore this is an open circuit, so the equivalent circuit is going to be like this. We are going to have a circuit that's going to be open and connected with 5 voltage in the bottom, right? Let's redraw this one. Okay, here we are going to have ground on top and that's open. And here we have 2.5k connected with negative 5 voltage. Since this is negative side connected to the negative side, we are going to have V minus 5 plus V minus 5 is equal to 0 if we apply KVL, right? So plus V minus 5 is equal to 0, therefore V is equal to plus 5 voltage. So that's going to be the voltage. Since this is open, current is going to be 0. Okay, now let's look at this one. Here we have, this is our anode side, this is cathode side. VA is going to be 0 if we open this one. VA is going to be 0, VK is going to be negative 5 voltage. VA is higher than VK, so this is going to be a short circuit. And if it's short circuit, the current is going to be 0 minus 5 divided by the resistance in between, that's 2.5k. So we are going to have the I is equal to this. I is going to be equal to 2 milliampere. And since this is connected to the ground, the voltage is going to be 0, right? V is going to be 0. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.